Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters. I hope you're having a busting day. And today I'm going to be reviewing, well I won't say reviewing because they're going to be fitted today. I'm going to have the first impressions of the GH shock absorbers. It's about £33 a shock. Altogether it was £66 for two off eBay. I'll leave a link down below. And the ones I'm using will be here so you can make sure you get the right ad. If you're wanting these specific ones and you want to know that you're actually going to get around to what I've reviewed, will be a picture there, somewhere there. So I did open them up last night for my own personal interest, just to make sure before I left feedback that there was okay and there were no dodginess in my packet. But now we're going to open the other one for it's factory wrapped and you can see what I saw. This was the side that was opened last night. This is the sealed side. Put it over. Yeah, sealed. Get my trusty scissors and I'll open them. Please bear in mind these were £66. No, I've got a knife because I've lost my knife. gh-parts.eu 2-year warranty, or warranty 2 years, global range of services, premium customer service. That's how the box meets you. Now just throw the box to one side, but the other shocks in there. This is one I unpacked last night. And that's been a review of the shock absorbers that I brought off eBay from a company, but it's got gh-parts.eu. Now I'm going to put a picture of a cluster here when we fit them, so we know what mileage the car is. Then at the end, or somewhere up here, when we do fail, I'll put a link to the video, the failure video, and we'll see what miles them, and everybody can see in the future, hello future, how long these last. I'm hoping it's going to be a good couple of years though, because nobody likes changing shocks. And normally when our shocks break, it's normally wet, raining, cold, and in the winter. And nobody really likes that. So that's been my first impressions of the sub £70 shock absorbers. I don't know what I'm expecting. For those that are interested, these are going on our sub £1,000 7 Series. There'll be another link up there if you like your old BMW 7 Series. It's a BMW E38 728, and these will be fitted on that. I'm going to see how long they last and what the more they'll be. What are we expecting for less than £100 for two shocks? I don't know. But at this point I'd like to say thanks for watching. I hope you're having a busting day, evening, morning or night. But until next time, bye bye.